So I recently had some deck work done. Dixie's enjoying it. And as part of the deck work, we hired a contractor to put up some Azek trim boards. And they did a pretty good job. I'm really happy with the way it turned out. It looks nice. But one thing that I thought needed to have a little work done too was the fact that when they installed this particular trim, the way we installed it was with pin nails, and as you can see, they left small nail holes from the aluminum pins or brads that were installed, and I don't like that. So what I've done is I contacted my local supplier and got this. It's called the Azek nail eraser, and I wanted to show you basically what it does. So I apologize, we're going to do a little shaking here probably. But as you can see, there's a nail hole right here. There we go. And you just rub this crayon in, and I guess it's made so that it's a type of material that closely resembles the Azek material. And you see it just fills in the hole like a putty stick. But what's pretty cool about it is when you wipe it away and clean it up with a paper towel, you might see there's a little spot left. You just go back over it again until it's nice and slick feeling, and maybe gets a little friction going. And when that happens, I think that's the magic moment, honestly, when that thing starts to slick up like that and fills in the hole correctly. So it takes a little bit of time. Nothing major. It's cheap. And there it goes. It's gone. And here's a hole that I left. And next to it, the hole is gone. It was right there. You can barely see it. And then down here, that's a hole that I just filled in. So, and I'll do one more for you. Come down here and we'll look at these and just start rubbing it. And this eraser, this putty, is pretty hard. It's about 55 out here today, so it's not really freezing, but you see it did a pretty good job. There, it's gone. Rub off the excess. And there you go. Not bad. Nail eraser by Azek.